Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to 1 minus 2x to the power of 3. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. This one, that is about the constant. So you got number 0. This one, we have 3x squared. Because we don't have negative number 6, that's a negative number 2 with number 3. So we need to divide both sides by negative number 6. So this one we change for u. S where the s we change for this one. Next, this one I can put u to the power of negative number 4 du. Now we have the formula in here. So we put negative number 4 gone here. So u to the power of negative number 4 plus 1 over negative number 4 plus 1. And I will put about c. So this one we have negative number 3. This one we have negative number 3. So negative number 6 multiplied by negative number 3. That is about positive 1 over 18. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.